And Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, stay. And there are all of the big casinos. Looks like Vegas at night. We're gonna stick around long enough to get a video of all the lights, and then we're gonna go. All right, we'll be adding some of these together because I'm gonna do these little quick clips. And I can't see if I'm getting it, but let's see, there we go. This is the other side of Laughlin. Laughlin's across the river in Nevada, and we're in Arizona. So I'm not sure the name of this town, but I think it's Mojave, maybe. Don't quote me because I'm not for sure. But I went across that bridge right there. Okay, please like and subscribe. Please share. Please tell your family and friends. Help me get to 1,000. We're at 623, I believe. Peace. Right there on the far end on the second floor is where the buffet was at, and that's where I sat, right there in that window facing the water. And that is the Riverside Casino and Hotel. It's been around for 50 years in Laughlin, Nevada. And that there is the water taxi and the dock. Oops. Well, maybe I missed it. The water taxi, I think, goes down there. And that there is the one that goes... Nope. It is... That's the water taxi right there. So... water taxi, and then the other one is the boat that comes over here. Two people who park in these lots, and they give them a free ride. There he comes. Look at how fast they go. They just fly across there. That's what I rode over and back. There he comes. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. And we can't see him anymore. And then they go out that way and go over to there. And that's how everybody gets back and forth across. Peace. Okay, you guys, this is Laughlin across the river. This is the Colorado River, and this is what I call a mini Las Vegas. Oops. All of these lights, these are all casinos. It's absolutely amazing. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna set you up in the dash, and we're gonna drive down there and go down the street, because it's not like Las Vegas. You can actually get in here without it totally being a million friggin' people. And this is where I rode the boat across to the riverside and had my buffet. I joined the club and I got the buffet for half price, so it was lunch, so I paid $4. And I can still ride it again and go get a free beer and hot dog for joining the club. But I don't know if I'm going to do that because I ate so much, unless I stick around and go later. Oops, sorry about that, you guys. Anyway, I'm going to set you up and drive over there, I think. Let's see if we can do that. All right. Peace.